Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial I will show you how to print all the even numbers, all odd numbers. So if you are given a number and you might to print all the even numbers or odd numbers. So here is the Java code. So I will teach you how it happens. So basically I create a class even number, then I took a integer number, that's why then I import scanner. After all, I using a for loop. You can also use while loop or do while loop. So I am using for loop. So I take integer I, then I less than n is given number. So we have to focus on the remainder. So if I divided by 2 equals 0, it means remainder equal to 0. So we know that this is odd number. So if we run it and if I give a number is 25, now I press enter. So you can see all the even numbers 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 24, all the even numbers before 25 has been printed. And same thing if I comment out this method, and this is for odd numbers. If we look forward, if I remainder 2 equal I divided by 2, if remainder equal to 1, so we can declare it at odd number. So if we print it, so if a given number is 10, then there is all the odd number 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. From 0 to 10, all the odd number has been printed. So that is the basic code. So I will provide this code into my description link. So that's it. Thank you so much everyone, and like, comment and subscribe my channel.